as we celebrate the 77th Independence Day today, I take this moment to remember all of our forefathers who have fought the British to ensure that we enjoy the freedom that we have today. At this point, as you know, India is on the verge of becoming a world superpower. So we are one of the fastest growing economies in the world, and today we stand at as the fifth largest economy. And IT, especially information technology products and services, has played a significant role in making what India is today. We are working on a lot of plans to ensure that our IT capacity is augmented with new buildings and then also new parks in the state. And also, so we create an ecosystem for talent creation and also social infrastructure creation and also influencing public infrastructure. So with all of these things, I'm positive that Kerala will have a very, very positive IT story in the coming years. So with this, I would like to wish every one of you a very, very, very happy Independence Day. Thank you very much.